Hi, my name's Dylan. I'm part of Group 14 with Carson, Mikey, and Sam. And for our project, we decided to go with the determination of acceleration. And this demonstrates Newton's second law. And Newton's second law is pretty simple, actually. It states that when a constant force acts on a body, it causes it to accelerate or change its velocity at a constant rate. In the simplest example, a force applied to an object at rest will make it accelerate in the direction of the force applied. If the object is already in motion, or if the situation is viewed from a moving inertial reference frame, the body will speed up, slow down, or change direction depending on the force applied and the direction of the force. It has an equation for it that goes F equals ma, with a sigma before F. So sigma F equals ma, and it represents the vector sum of all of the forces, or the net force acting on a body. And for our project, we decided to demonstrate this by using a skateboard to see how a skateboard would accelerate when force was applied on it in one direction. We had a couple goals for this project. The first being that we wanted to make sure we were in a COVID-safe environment, so we wore masks and we were properly spaced out when filming. And the second goal, obviously, was to film our skateboard, the system that can travel from rest to a given area, and we were aiming to calculate cruising velocity. Um, and when we calculated that, it was approximately 108.72 pixels a second squared. And this was after it was pushed, it reached the maximum peak and then it maintained a constant velocity before slowing down due to external factors such as gravity, friction, and those are those forces they were talking about. So there was the initial force that caused the skateboard to accelerate, and then the external forces as gravity and friction from the ground that caused it to decelerate again once the acceleration force was no longer being applied. Um, the third goal of our experiment was to describe the concept of physics play, and this video is just a demonstration and an explanation of Newton's second law. And if you are interested in seeing how we demonstrated Newton's second law, you can look at the um, charts and the table, as well as our explanation in the video, in the paper that this video is attached to.